50% off.
I love you. No, it's my FaceTime. So you spend few minutes of your time to watch my video and leave me a comment. And from the bottom of my heart and Tammy also, guys.
While you and me repeat this bittersweet heat.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. My two dogs wake me up early. Will Roxy, Misty throw up. And then just now Roxy threw up too. So we clean up your mess. That's what I did. I clean up your mess. Hi. Are you nervous or you just don't eat really good last night because you don't eat the whole food? Daddy made you something very special and then you don't eat it. What is that all about? Get out of here. Go to Brooklyn. I'm gonna feed you at 7 o'clock already. Guys, it's 7 o'clock, so I guess I have to make breakfast. Breakfast. What do you want, Han? Cigarette. I'm gonna have cigarette. What do you want? Nothing. Of course you want something. I'm gonna make omelette. Our pancake. Huh? I'm gonna make something you eat. Anyway, guys, I will see you later. I'm just gonna make breakfast for the dog. Do you want breakfast? Huh? No, I'm talking to the dog. Okay, you guys eat later, okay?
They eat now, I eat.
You guys are playing, huh? You guys are playing, huh? Oh, happy, huh? She's looking outside all the time. And did you see the grass, guys? I don't know, hon. It's kind of cold outside. Is the plant outside is okay? Yeah, it just came in. You guys just came in? What is the problem with the two of you? You don't even eat your breakfast. Are you lonely table just for one? Lonely table just for one. That's not a song. Is that a song? Lonely table just for one? What is it then?
I don't know. I mean, you sing it all the time.
Tommy said I sing it all the time. Guys, you tell me, guys, is it lonely table just for one or what? Or I'm just making I changed the lyrics. Lonely teardrops.
Only teardrops, I told you.
I guess this is really
I don't know what it's table for one.
Table for one. It's a restaurant, and
Well, I realized what a table for one would be lonely, so I figured maybe it is a phone. I don't know.
the right way.
I think lonely teardrops, but just like my father always lonely. No, because my when I was a kid, we always hear like lonely table.
You're leaving me around.
Mama need to go shower anyway. Oh my god! She's like her foot. Misty, what are you doing to Dada? You buy a magiliwing. You want to play with this? You bring it to me. You want to play with this?
So don't just color. Where's the color?
Come in, Miss. What are you doing? What are you doing? You just keep following me? Is that what you want? It's kind of cold out here. And that's kind of, it's really cold. And I think that the plants are happy. I hope so. I hope they're happy. They're not dying. But it's kind of chilly here, but it's not really like crazy chilly cold. Chills lang tayo, guys. It's really nice. I can hear all the birds singing, you know what I mean? She's so tired, guys. He just keep sleeping. It's 11 in the afternoon. In the morning, in the afternoon. And I haven't showered yet. I probably shower before Tommy go. I don't even know what we're gonna have for lunch. Tomorrow is my birthday and I'm alone. Happy birthday advance to me alone. He's working tomorrow, so that's why. But it's kind of sad. I never have birthday, guys, that people bring me cake and singing to me and have a food. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Even one lechon, rice, people get together. No, never.
Well, you never order your lechon.
Yeah, I'm gonna order lechon and I'm here.
But you never did.
But who I'm gonna be with? The dog and me eating all together lechon? Okay, guys, I'm going to say it again because there I was recording and memory error again. So we're gonna have churros for snack lunch kind of thing, and I will just bake it for whatever the instruction says. Tommy want some stuff to eat. We have, remember, Han, we have stuff here. Burritos, the spicy jalapeno burritos. There's tons of hot dogs. You want hot dogs? Do you want hot dogs? Okay. How many do you want? Okay, guys, I can't even do this, Han. Han, I want you to do this. I can't.
You can't what, open it?
No, I can't separate it. It's freaking frozen.
Yeah. That's what happens in the freezer.
Careful, huh, with your hands. Every time Sam is here, it's raining, rain. Hallelujah, it's raining, man. Amen. What, your arm is hurting just that?
Yes. You understand what a tendon is, right? It's like a strap that holds your muscle.
I'm sorry, I let you do that. My baby, come here. Oh my god, the dog just want to go out all the time now. Come here now, give me
They
a
like being out. Let them be out.
I love you. No, it's my face, Tommy.
Everywhere.
Not in your hair. It's in my face. I love you. Sausage. Hot dog, not sausage. So, I just got it lined up. And it will open later. And my thing is there. Churros is finished, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's very pretty. Somebody comment says congratulations to my 3,000 subscribers. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you guys for subscribe. If you haven't subscribed on my channel, please subscribe. If you haven't, please subscribe. Tommy doesn't wanna go back to the other house. He doesn't feel like, and it's really bad. He's tired, and it's really, really bad day. It's raining crazy. It's not raining crazy, but it's no sun at all. That means traffic. He's going.
Bye, puppy.
Roxy, bye to Dada, miss this. Roxy, Roxy, Roxy.
Bye, Roxy, Roxy.
She knows. She's every time we come here.
Because she want to get in the car.
Yeah, she doesn't want to get in the car.
Hi, so she don't, not that she don't want to come here. She just doesn't want to get in the car.
I love you.
love
Please,
you too.
please drive careful, huh?
Happy almost birthday.
Thanks.
You know, it's sucky.
Tommy left, guys. He left. And then I'm doing laundry. I'm gonna wash his pajama. Yeah, he doesn't like going to the other house, or he doesn't like getting up. He's so tired, guys. He's always like working. And when once he lie down and relax, that's it. And then the only problem when you're always lying down and then you don't get up, if you have a headache, your headache get worse and then you get sick. The neighbor that we have over there have one dog. It's really nice though. It's a big dog. It's really friendly. The dog came in the gate. Roxy is so excited. She wiggled her butt, and Misty is like wiggle her butt, but Misty is the one who kept barking. And then when the dog come in and giving kisses, they're like kissing each other. Roxy is so friendly, and oh my god, it's nice to see the dog get along. Hopefully when we're finally moved in here, I can't wait to see their dog and my dogs get along and play in our yard, because these two dogs can't get out in the yard. Their dog is like can't go anywhere, knows what to do, you know, like that. They train it really good. Fish. Yeah, candlelight and so forever, a dream of you and me together. See you believe it, see you believe it. Free your mind of doubt and danger, be for real, don't be a stranger. We can achieve it, we can achieve it. Come a little bit closer, baby. Put it on, 'cause tonight is the night when to become one. I need some love like I never needed love before. Wanna make love to you, baby. This one broke from the wind. Broke from the wind. What are you doing here? Oh, shush, no, you jumping on me, oi. You jumping on me now, oi. You wet, oi, you wet. You wet. Shit, shit. Down, be a good girl. Yes, you're happy to see me out here. I know. You're happy to see me out here. I know. You're happy. You're happy to see me. Hi guys. I did empty my laptop. I mean, not empty. I deleted some things that I don't know existed. That's why it's always full. Every time I upload some videos, it's always full, guys. And I'm here in the bathroom right now because this bathroom door here in the master bedroom, I have wipes here. This is Clorox wipe, and I kind of like see the nastiness here, like people from the previous owner, they hold, you know, they hold the thing and they never really clean, and you can see all the marks of the dirt in the door, and it's a really white door, and you really can see, you can see what's, you know, what's, how dirty is the door. I mean, only in the area that where people hold, and it's so dirty, and it's in the bathroom area. Kind of disgusted, and I've been wanting to do this, guys, but it's like every time I come, I don't use this bathroom often because, you know, there's another bathroom. I use the other one, the small one. So today I said again, I said, I don't want to forget it. I want to wipe it and clean because it's really dirty. So, and you can see it. I don't know if you can see. Look, did you see a yellow part? And that's when people hold the door. And look, you can see the different, guys. How the different here clean, and this one is yellow, brown kind of thing. That's where. Well, I did wipe the handles before. I don't know why I don't wipe the whole part. I always wipe that handle right here. All the cabinets and stuff like that, I wipe it with Clorox wipe because to sanitize, because, you know, previous owner, you don't know. But I can fold dirt. It's hard when you don't have buckets, guys. You know, to carry all this stuff. It's hard. That's why my next thing, when we find out now, I don't need it now. But if it's not really expensive to get the bucket, guys. But for now, I can hold. I can use my arms to bring this to the living room. Not all, but whatever I can grab and fit on my arm, I'm going to. Okay, I'll be right back. I'll put this in the worst mistake. Okay, I'm done here. Finally, si Roxy kumakain. Finally, kumakain. Gutom na yan. She's hungry because she doesn't eat the breakfast, and last night also doesn't eat the food. It's 7:18 already in the evening, guys. Every time Tommy get here, he's so tired that I can't even ask him to do the curtains. I mean, to put the curtain rod that I can hang the regular curtain over there, and blinds. We need blind over there. Hi guys, good morning. Just finishing my video right now to be uploaded for today's video. I'm just gonna quick insert shout out because this video is already long and there's few of you guys want to be in my shout out. So I'm gonna start now. Shout out to Almasti Irab, hi, and also shout out to Vanessa Juntahan, hi, thank you for watching, sis, thank you. And also to Blue Daisy, hi, thank you for watching, sis. And also to my friend from Queen, she is a vlogger, and shout out, I'm gonna put the name here. She have a channel, her channel is Pinay New Yorker TV. Hi sis, thank you for watching. And yeah, so she have a channel if you wanna check her out. Hi, good morning. And also to Erdalyn Beckwith, hi sis. To Rabi Alma or Rabe Alma, I don't know how you pronounce it, but Rabi Alma, she is from Bahrain, hi. And also Shil Ag Kauli, hi, thank you for watching, sis. And also shout out to Sherry D. Karua, hi Sherry, thank you for watching. Shout out to Juvie Lises. Shout out to Chiji, hi Chi, Chai G or Chiji. Shout out to Fluffy and Jojo, and also to Kathy from Saudi Arabia, hi. And also shout out to Emeline Allegri from Iceland, thank you sis. And also shout out Tan family sa Cavite, congratulations Mark, congratulations for your graduation. And also shout out to Ron Daniel Tan, this is from Veronica Dural Tan. Hi sis, thank you for watching. Thank you guys so much for all the greetings for my birthday. I'm overwhelmed. There's so many of you guys. Leave me a comment, send me a personal messages, but you know, I want to reply all of you, but thank you guys so much for all the nice messages. Thank you, and I really do appreciate it. Matanda na ako guys, I'm 33 years old. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you continue watching the vlog, and yeah, I will see you later. Bye. I'm not doing anything guys, so I'm just gonna early close this vlog. I will see you tomorrow. Do you wanna see the dog? Roxy's right there with her blanket, on top of her blanket, and Misty's on top of the bed. So do you wanna say goodnight to our friends? Do you wanna say goodnight? Do you wanna say night night? I love you. I love you. Come on. Night night now. Night night now. Do you want me to sleep with you tonight? Do you want me to sleep with you tonight here on the floor? I can do that. I can do that. She kind of worried guys, and I kind of worried when he's worried. Watching this news right now, I want to do exercise. I want to bring my body back. It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen guys. Yeah, because I'm crying, my baby coming. She thought I'm sad. I'm fine, Rox. I'm just acting up. I'm just acting up, Rox. I'm just kinda like wanna be back to size 0. Mama is size 0 before. I wear size 0 pants, jeans. I can't do it anymore. I won't even go up to my knee. Yes, guys. I have still size 0 pants. I keep it for me to go back again to size 0, but it's not gonna happen. Roxy, stop doing it. Hopefully when we move in here, we have a kind of exercise machine in the house. I told Tommy to put that in the basement, and I can use that. And hopefully I'm gonna stick to that thing, because I promised myself I wanna go back. That's why I don't give my size 0 jeans to my sister, because I just to remind her that you have to go back into that size. And anyway guys, I'm gonna end this vlog, and thank you all guys so much for watching my video. And please hit the subscribe button guys, it is free. Please, please, it's free. And also, what else? And also guys, I really do appreciate, we are 3,000 plus subscribers. I appreciate it so much. So thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for the support. Thank you to all of you who supported this channel. So you spend few minutes of your time to watch my video and leave me a comment. And from the bottom of my heart, and Tommy also guys, are really surprised that, you know, we are growing. He is surprised guys, to be honest with you. It's just like he is surprised that we are growing. He is, you know, like he's participating me already with this vlog, and he is so happy every time I told him about that. You guys see about into Tommy, say hi to Tommy, and I really do appreciate it to you, all of you guys. Please do give me a thumbs up guys if you like the video. And yeah, I appreciate it so much, and thank you for all the time. There is a tons of video out there, a tons of vlogger out there, but you give time to my channel to watch and to leave a comment down below. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. No joke, no kidding. I appreciate it so much. And thank you guys so much for watching. See you tomorrow, and good night. Bye.
What if you hit traffic? If we hit traffic?
We don't need traffic.